With Pattern Editor, you can easily create your own fill patterns from start. The alternative in Revit is to define a pattern by vectors according to a predetermined way in a text file, pattern file. Click Pattern Editor in the menu bar. The dialog will give you a list view or a 2D view ready for you to start creating a pattern. Choose Model and make sure to rename the new pattern accordingly. You can now start creating the new pattern. Add or remove lines and type in your values. When you click in the view, you will see each line will be highlighted in the list. This is to make sure you work with the correct ones. If you would like to edit in the view, click the little pen and you'll be presented with a grid in edit mode. You can now draw new lines, continuous or not. Be aware of type of line and its function. Partition repetitions let you zoom in and out in the grid. Continue this process until you're satisfied. When you're finished, click Exit Edit and Save. Finish up the new pattern on your model by clicking the OK button. To apply your pattern, click the pattern in your model, go to the Properties panel and select Edit Type, then select Edit Structure. You will now access the pattern. Click on Materials and select your newly created material from your list. Press OK 3 to 4 times and your patterns are applied to the model. Align your pattern if needed by using the Modify Align command.